Sissy. Sister, Natalie Nicole. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. You're so pretty. You're so pretty, Sissy. Sister. Sissy. Is that Daddy's keys? Sister. Sister. Natalie. Natalie. Can Daddy have some sugars? Can Daddy have some sugars? Can Daddy have some sugars? Bruce face? Thank you. Hey, Bubba, you need to go potty? No? Okay. You gonna tell Daddy if you gotta go potty? You're not gonna tell Daddy? Hey, Nathan, come here. I need you to tell Daddy if you gotta go potty, okay? Okay? Good boy. Good boy. Thank you. He's doing so good. I'm so proud of him. Sissy. Natalie. Hey, Sissy. Come here. Natalie. Natalie, come here. Natalie Nicole. Come here, baby. Come here, Sissy. You got Daddy's keys? Thank you. Good boy. He'll say good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Bubba. Nathan. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. We're going to take him to a place that's going to help him with his talking. He's doing a lot better. We got a thing of flashcards, and Jamie will say like house or mother or whatever, and he'll repeat them. He just needs a little help, but he's way behind. He's like 2 years behind. I love you, Bubba. Can you say I love you? Nathan Dwayne, why are you tearing the paper? Why are you tearing the paper? I love you. Nathan Dwayne, why are you tearing the paper? Nathan Dwayne, why do you keep tearing the paper? That's not nice. It's not nice. Sissy. Thank you. Thank you. Sister. Zizi. camera hug. Hey, Sissy. Sissy.
Where'd you get that?
Sissy. Can you say thank you?
It's spilling. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Save the bottles.
Nathan, come here. I love you. Aww. Daddy gotta go bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I love you.
Her bottle's looking bad, Johnny.
Sissy. Natalie, come here.
Don't go do this.
Come here.
It's okay, baby.
Oh, sister.
It's not your fault, it's game off.
Natalie, come here. Natalie, come here. Natalie. Natalie. Sister. Oh, you're a ham, huh? You're so pretty. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Come here. Natalie, come here. Come here, sister. Come here, sissy. Come here. Thank you. Hey, sissy. Come here, Bubba. Come sit by Daddy. Come here. Come here. Nathan Dwayne. Come here. 1, 2. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Come here and get Daddy a hug. Mama's gonna take a picture. Come here. Give Daddy a big old hug and it's your birthday. I love you. Daddy gotta go bye-bye, okay?
Bye-bye.
Yeah, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy.
Sissy.
Sissy, you love your sissy? Do you love your daddy?
Sissy.
Do you love your daddy?
No.
No? You don't love daddy? Do you love your daddy? Nathan, do you love your daddy? You don't love me? Nathan, you don't love your daddy?
You know what?
You don't
I
love
thought
your
this was
daddy?
a damn insurance bill.
You don't love your
This is about the accident.
Grandma?
Let me see.
Grandma?
It showed that our
Can I turn it off?
Because I'm
Yeah.
trying to find